Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new and simpler method that is not difficult to understand, and when used correctly it reduces the risk of losing and increases the winning rate significantly. And of course, for those who are interested, the platform registration link is in the video description. The first indicator is Bollinger Bands. I increased the period to 22 and 2. This is the main indicator of this method, and I changed the colors so that the good moments are easily for the eye to perceive. Let's thicken some lines. The second indicator of this method is MACD. Here it is, which I use quite often. I set the period to 13, 20, 9, and 8. Let's don't change colors. It's wonderful. Indicators were set. Now I had set 1 minute candles and trading time is standard. And let's choose currency pairs, and I want to tell you that the yellow line of Bollinger Bands plays a big role in this method, and you will understand why this line is so important during the explanation of the method. I want to remind you that for those who are interested, the platform registration link is in the video description. Friends, I think it's a great moment because, first of all, I'm looking at all 3 lines of Bollinger Bands, but the most important of these 3 lines is to look at the middle yellow line. It should definitely cross the candles, but we should take into account that it should cross the green candles at this particular moment because I opened the position in the upward direction. At this moment, of course, the red and green MACD candles should cross each other as well and move upwards. And I think at such a moment, there is a high chance that the trend will be completed successfully. And I think everything is going in a perfect way. Great! I closed the first position with profit. I think I caught another very good crossing of the middle yellow line of the Bollinger Bands, and it is also important that when these candles touched the green line of the Bollinger Bands, it began to quickly move down and then cross the yellow line. I watch such moments quite carefully. Also, at this moment, the red and green lines of the MACD form an ideal position. They cross each other about their own candles and go down. And of course, I'm still watching the MACD, and this time the candles, which should be down and better to grow in the downward direction. And as you can see on the platform now, everything is going in a perfect way. It's wonderful, the second successful trade, but here I think that the trend will continue. Of course, entering here now at this moment is not the best decision, but here are very frequent cases when I successfully complete such moments, and sometimes it is better to risk. It's not the best decision because it's a little bit late and the trend is coming to an end. Here is the moment when the candles are approaching the red line of the Bollinger Bands, and this is not considered the best position for this method, but MACD red and green lines have the best position, as well as MACD candles, which are increasing in the downward direction. And these moments together create a good signal, of course, based on each other and combined actions. and that's why I took some risk. And unfortunately, some part of the money was returned to me and some part was lost. Traders, I think I caught a very good moment again. Red and green MACD lines have just crossed each other and are starting to move upwards. Also, the green candle has already touched the yellow line of the Bollinger Bands once, and this moment is very good for opening a position. Of course, I'm watching the MACD candles as well, and as you can see, the candles below the platform was decreased and are slowly starting to move upwards. I think this is also a good sign to enter the trade in an upward direction, of course with 1 minute time interval. Now let's wait to see how things will develop on the currency pair, and I really hope that the position will be closed successfully. And I think that's cool. I won after losing the previous trade and I'm really happy. So friends, today I show you the best moments of the method and how I trade with this method in a way that I get pretty good results. This is not 100% method, of course, and you saw this in the video. But the main thing is that I win most of the time and thereby reduce the risk of losing. I want to warn you that some group of scammers are lying to many people on my behalf, and they should invest money on the platform and as if I will trade for them. So friends, this is a lie. Don't believe them. Be careful because there are lots and lots of scammers. I hope you liked today's video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a successful trading day. See you in the next video. Thank you.